Alright, what is up, guys? It is November 19th, currently 8:45 p.m. Kind of late for my recap, but been busy today. So, honestly, I had no expectations of making a trade today because I had somewhere to be at 10 o'clock this morning. But I still, wanted to sit down, listen to the market briefing, see what news came out, just see what was going on, watch the opening bell, and watch it for the first 10 minutes. But we had some good pre-market action going on. We had three stocks on watch today. SAEX, which gapped up after hours yesterday and held its gains overnight, gapped up a little bit more this morning in pre-market. We was watching MYOV, had a massive gap up this morning, and we was also watching GNPX, which gapped up, and we'll go over all three. So SAEX I did not trade, mainly because this wedge here started to form in pre-market, and it did break the wedge, but I was looking for it to break 450. Didn't. When it opened up, sold right off, no trades. SAEX, didn't even look back on it. The next one was MYOV, and I do not have this chart linked. Boom. Okay, there's the trades. So yesterday it closes at $6 or right around $6. Today it opened up at $13.35. So nice pre-market action. A wife sneezing in the background. Anyways, it started a uptrend on this line here, which was looking really good. Massive volume in this one candle for pre-market. 524,000 in that one candle. That's crazy. And it was looking really good. Very strong right before open, and it opened up, and I broke one of my rules. I tried to get in on the first minute, because the simulated trading with TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform does not fill orders in the first minute. Don't matter if you market order, limit order, whatever. It'll just bounce around, never get filled. Honestly, in the first couple seconds of the second minute, I tried to market order in a couple times, still didn't get filled, canceled it. It flushed down, and as it was coming back up, I hit market order one more time, got filled at 13.86 with 250 shares. And then it surged up to 15, and then surged up to 16, and on that candle I started taking profits. There we go. So I sold 100 of the 250 at 15.71, sold 50 at 16.18, and then on the next candle I was kind of hoping it would continue to surge up. It didn't. Took another 50 off at 16.22, and the last 50 as it came back down at 16.14. That trade put me up $533 on the day. One trade in and out, and I was like, man, I am done already. And then GNPX caught my attention. And it was gapping up from a low of 41 cents the day before. So gapped up to almost $1, couldn't break, came back down, and I was watching it to break $1. Now, a guy in the Discord chat that I'm in was basically looking at GNPX as his number one trade for the day, and I told him to be very careful, and I'll go over why in just a minute. So, it creeps up, comes up to almost $1 and comes back down. As it was coming back up, I jumped in 1,500 shares at 98 cents for the break of $1. It does break. I immediately sell 1,000 at 103. It hits 109. I'm holding the last 500, hoping in this candle it's going to surge up to 120, because that was the last high from September 11th, actually. Doesn't do it. Comes back down. Sell the rest at 103. Now I'll show you the daily chart. Let's change the study to my moving averages. All right. So I was honestly also hoping it would hit the 200 simple moving average here at 120, and that's exactly where I was looking to sell. 120, boom, right here. But it just couldn't 109 was the high. So this is the day right here I was looking at, and I told the guy, I said, it has a history of gapping up over $1 and then crashing. And I wanted to go in further depth and actually go to that day. Well, I guess it has to be 5 minutes. Just to see how long it stayed above $1. Is this it? September 11? Yep. So opens up at 92 cents, surges up to 109, then surges up to 115, drops, and then pops up to 120, and then falls all the way back down to 105, and then all the way back down to 96, and literally doesn't get over $1 again until today. So I told him, I said, just be careful, first 30 minutes, it has a history of, breaking $1 and then coming all the way back down, so take your profits. And that's exactly what it did today. And that trade only made me 80 bucks. So finishing up the day 613 in the green, and that puts me up, drag this over, $4,918. Now I did reset my account today, and I'll show you why, or explain why anyways. That's why I don't have profits over here, but you can see the shares that I traded, and you can see the orders that were taken here. So, I originally started with $5,000 with 2 times buying power, so I set it at 10,000. So I think today it said like 16,000 or 17,000, something like that when I was trading. So after the day was done, I was basically almost up 10 grand. I was like, you know what, I'm going to reset it and make this cash the exact amount as my original starting $5,000 plus my profit. So I'm up $4,918 profit plus the $5,000 cash, puts me at $9,918 cash for the account. Now this is simulated, so it's fake, so whatever. But from now on, this number right here, it's actually the net liquid, but I look at the one in the corner because it's easier to see. They're always the same. So this will reflect the cash in the account, or the paper money in the account from here on out. Bring trader view back over. So total profits, here are the trades from today: 518, GMPX 80. Go look at the reports. I'm actually on my 6th green day from the 12th all the way to the 19th. That is a new record for me, finishing up green 6 days in a row. So very happy about that. Yesterday was my biggest win with my small account. My biggest loss was actually October 31st, $319. So this was the first day of the small account. Second day put me in the red on the total account. The first day almost brought me back to break even. I was actually still in the red a little bit, and since then all the way to the 19th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Today was the 12th day of the month of me trading, and I took it from from a negative position to $4,900 in profit with taking small trades, less than $10,000 positions on most of the trades. Yesterday I did use like 14 or 15,000 to do one of my trades, but I mean technically I'd already made the profit plus the buying power, so it all worked out. And that was it for today. I didn't take any other trades. Like I said, I had to leave at 9:45 to go to the meeting that I had, and after that I come home and decided to start painting the room where my computer is in my dining room. That turned out to be a lot more work than I thought, so didn't even get back on today. I did check on my phone like a couple charts. Nothing was amazing. I think MYOV I checked, it did get up to 17 again, but I mean this would have been nice to play a little bit, but I probably would have lost money on this here, probably trying to buy in somewhere here. But anyways, it was a good day of trading. Very happy with the profits that I made today. Extremely happy with the account size and how much I've grown it this month. Hopefully I can continue making green days and finishing up the month strong. What the hell is that? Literally never seen that before. Anyways, I've lost connection with Thinkorswim. But anyways, that's it for the day. So we'll be back at it tomorrow morning, hopefully to make some more profits. Thanks for watching.